welcome back. Do you like eating meat? I'm sure most of you watching will say yes. But do you know why we eat meat? Based on a British study, it shows that genetic factors are very obvious in high protein foods such as beef, lamb, and fish. This means that children's habit of eating fish and meat is inherited from their parents, which basically means that the reason we eat meat is because our parents do. But does that mean humans are born to eat meat? Or is this a human instinct? Not actually. From the long evolutionary process of ancient apes to modern humans, food and territory are the main targets of the competition. In order to survive and reproduce, humans have developed a set of dietary habits. Dietary habits in order to adapt their own growth and physiological conditions. And meat is an important part of the dietary habits because it is the main source of protein needed for human growth. And gaining proteins and energies helps to develop the ape's brain. The brain volume has become larger and larger, so eventually it developed to modern human. Okay, now we know why humans eat meat. But this leads to another question, that why do humans only eat the meat of herbivores such as sheep, cow, etc., and hardly eat carnivores, which is lions, tigers, there is, of course, millions of reasons we only eat the meat of herbivores, but in this video, I'm only gonna talk about 3 main causes. As we know that humans are on the top of the food chain, from a biology point of view, energy generally decreases step by step. So the higher the level of the food chain, the less energy it has. And because human has such a low energy, there's more heavy metals and these toxic substances in the human body. And carnivores are usually on the high side of the food chain. It's usually on the position between human and herbivores. So it's in the middle bit here. Therefore, there's plenty of toxics and bacteria in their bodies, which is dangerous for our body. Okay, that's one reason herbivores are toxic. Apart from that, another reason that we don't normally eat carnivores is because the difficulty of raising. So herbivores like cows are usually very meek, and so they can be raised on a large scale and supplied to the market. By contrast, the carnivores are usually pretty aggressive and are hard to raise. Besides that, the forage used by herbivores is always cheaper than meat which carnivores required. These are the reasons we normally raise herbivores instead of carnivores. Another reason that we don't eat carnivores is because the number of carnivores is become less, especially wild animals. As I said before, the carnivores are usually on top of the food pyramid. Therefore, it has a longer reproductive period, which basically means it takes them longer time to have their kids. For example, let's just assume that a cow needs like 5 months 5 months to get its kid. By contrast, a lion maybe needs 8 months to 8 months to get its kids, which explains why there is less numbers of carnivores. In general, there's 3 reasons that we normally eat the meat of herbivores. First, carnivores are toxic. Second, it's hard to raise carnivores. And last but not least, there's less numbers of carnivores. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.